A personal proxy gives you a direct view into how your target application works under the hood. It operates as a web proxy server and sits as a man in the middle between your browser and destination web servers. This lets you intercept, inspect, and modify the raw traffic passing in both directions. If the application employs HTTPS, the personal proxy tool breaks the SSL connection between your browser and the server, so that even encrypted data can be viewed and modified within the proxy. So here's a demo. Setting up the personal proxy and your browser to work with each other involves the following elements. First, we need a proxy listener to accept requests from your browser. We can use Burp Suite for this purpose, which is embedded into Kali Linux. By default, Burp Listener uses port 8080. Second, we need to configure our browser to use the proxy listener as its proxy server. We can change the proxy settings of our browsers from the following menus: Preferences, Advanced, Network, Settings. Or even simpler, we can use plugins such as Foxy Proxy to change the proxy settings with a single click. When you install the plugin, a Fox icon appears next to the address bar. Since Burp Suite Listener listens to the port 8080, we redirect the traffic to that port. Now, let's see how we intercept the traffic and modify the requests. Go back to Firefox. Foxy Proxy is disabled at the moment. Visit http://nhs.uk or whatever you want. Now, open the Burp Suite. In Burp Suite, make sure that the Intercept mode is on. Go to Intercept tab under the Proxy tab and see the Intercept button is on. So back to the browser and select the personal proxy for port 8080 from the Foxy Proxy plugin. Type green, or whatever you want, into the search box in the upper right-hand corner and press enter. The response is caught by Burp Suite. Find the word we search for in the request, change it, for example, yellow, press the forward button. Now there will be following requests for the resources of the website which we are not interested in, so we can turn the intercept off at this point to avoid time loss. Go back to the browser, and as you see, we sent green to search, but since we changed it using a personal proxy, we have a different result now. If you try any website which uses HTTPS protocol, such as google.com, you probably got the message that your connection is not secure. To be able to intercept the traffic, Burp Suite handshakes with the website, and we handshake with Burp Suite. Since we haven't added the Burp Suite certificate as trusted, you get that message. Go to Advanced and add Exception. Then you can keep going. Burp Suite makes the handshake with the website, and we make the handshake with Burp Suite.